But dad, you don't say, bro. The way all the man a flow, scans and anyone can't find me. Okay. We know he's versatile, bro, and we know he has that vocals, but bro, the man a damage the rhythm, dog. Boom. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando, and I'm building. And in this episode, bro, we'll be reacting to none other than Valiant. Valiant has just dropped his first new song for the new year. And we got nothing to do more than just react to it and go right into the banger, bro. No lie, you know Valiant, bro. Valiant is known for those flowable, those melodious type of song, bro. He has that song last year, Lumba, that went big, you know. Lumba, hey. And this one is new for the 2025 Valiant. Let's get right into the reaction. Mud. Pull up. So this song is produced by Weekday, you know, the Javi ambassador, true ambassador, team member, Weekday, Javi brother, you know. So it's a good look. It's a good look. I like the rhythm. The rhythm has this mellow sound to it. It's not much high tempo, hybrid type of sound, but the rhythm is mellow, and I like that. I like that to it. Woo! Woo! Just like I said, bro. Mellow, bro. The flow is mellow. It matches the rhythm. I like that, bro. This is new. This is new, bro. I've never heard Valiant with this kind of flow. He has the vocals. He has the vocals, but the flow on this type of beat and rhythm, so mellow and slow and easy, is like a cruise type of sound, bro. And I like that. Valiant, I like this, bro. I like this so far. Never sell my soul and no boy can buy. Enough doors used to knock, enough people used to stand. From scars can leave. My dogs are more gone, but they spring free. Man. So them my dog can't hold on me. What you say? From a small man dreams they big. One day I come home and get my son them all the figure. Call them not the game world tour on my scene. Shit, bro. This whole song is carrying you into a zone, bro. Jano. The music are carrying in a zone. It's like you're lost in time in the sound. It's like you're following the sound on a road, on a path. And it's like leading you, bro. You just can't stop going with it. I like that, bro. Pull up, Valiant. Bro. This is the places you should be, bro. The versatility. Different types of concept of music, different things to sing about, not just the girls and whatever and underneath and you know the ray and the gun, but the concept of this song. I like it, bro. I like it. Go in it again, Valiant. Where I said? Wow. Alright. But no. Yeah, man. What you say? But you don't say, bro. The way all the man a flow. Scans and I can't find me. Oh, okay. We know he's versatile, bro. And we know he has that vocals, but bro, the man a damage the rhythm, dog. He's damaging the rhythm, bro. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook, bro. I don't know if it's me, bro, but I love conscious music. Music that speaks to your soul. Like that old vibration, it's a part of me, bro. I love that. And the music, the song, it's just vibrating. It's just speaking to the soul, bro. Valiant. Go in there, sure. Woo! Carry for me guns so you know say me grimy. The song named Grimey, bro. I thought it would be that grimy type of sound. It's different, bro, and I like it, bro. It is different, bro, and I like it, bro. Honestly, I never thought I would like it because for some reason I would always think that Valiant don't know how to. Not saying he doesn't know, but I would think that Valiant would try to change the sound a bit or whatever. But this song, it's surprising, bro. I would expect he was gonna sing something like underneath a girl or whatever, but this different, dog. This different, and I like it. Honestly, I like it, bro. More of this, bro. More of this. Versatility. Diversity, bro. More of it. What? Oh, son, land never care inspire me. Get a youth. Get the horse. Even though a horse can't skate on the tool. But get the horse and land, bro. Because you see cars, bro. Once that shit come out of the lap, it now have no value. It goes to devalue. It devaluates, bro. So, oh, Salana no care inspire me. No. What? Flow, you. Yes. Yo, that second verse, bro. Who told you to change that flow in the second verse, bro? Bro, Valiant, why did you change that verse in the second? Bro, the second verse gone, dog. The second verse goes south, bro. After the first verse was a flow, so the dog turn it up a notch. Brother, pull up that part there again, dog. Yo. Yeah. Badness off the open from the morning off. Da 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 do pido. Da 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 do. Oh God, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Pull that shit up, bro. Pull it up. Badness off the open money off enough. Hey, I'm not one for the badness, but shit. From you have to keep your ends check, keep it check, bro. From you have to have a tube on the ends, have it, bro. Yeah. No. Bro, I love this fucking flow, bro. I love this flow. Pull the song up, dog. Shit. Yo. Pull the song up, dog. Yo. Pull the fucking song up, bro. What you waiting on? Pull the song up, dog. I love the flow. I love the flow. This is different, bro. Y'all need to really know music to know that this flow is a masterpiece, bro. Bro, this flow is a masterpiece, bro. Valiant is known for the flows and the vocals, but bro, as I've said, bro, this flow is a masterpiece. This flow is off the chain, bro. It is off the chain. But myself for you, on y'all for no, I like it, bro. Soothing, mellow vibes. Hey girl, your wife, you better check out the mileage, yeah? If you think your wife, you better check out the what? The mileage. But that one here for the youths them, man. That one here for the youths them there, cause I can see youths them and make this there. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Already? True. So no more girls. Check out the mileage. Man. And anyone who post can know how to find. Never sell my soul and no boy can buy. If those used to not enough people used to stand. And this me like with artists, bro. Taking the road to doing something different. Not just for where you think the fans them want, bro, but singing different things. It's you as the artist, and you create the path and them follow. Don't make them lead and you follow. This is what I like, bro. Creating the path so others can follow. We know Valiant for those ranty type of things, as we said. But he's taking a different route to it. And I like it, bro. I like it. Yeah. Yeah. No. Man. Straight. Mm-hmm. Woo! The man I play with the flow, dog. It reminds me of Alkaline, bro. The man I play with the flow on a different level. That's how you do it. You gotta experiment with the flow. Experiment, and Valiant is experimenting with the flow, bro. The man I experiment and I play with it at the same time, bro. But it's up you up, you know, in the money, no. And then he chip out in another part of the song, dog. How the fuck? Yeah, sit to me, dog. Pull up that part. Sure. Bro, I want to hear what he just said there, bro, because he was playing with the flow. I didn't get what he... No, so we live a different lifestyle. But, yo, Valiant, you crazy, bro. Never underestimate him, bro. Yeah. Man. Can't inspire me. Man. Nah, sell the soul, you. Don't take it out. For sure, everybody ready that die. No son, no actors, you no better crown me. Believe in yourself. You can do it. I like the message the song is sending, bro. It keeps me in a zone, like it keeps you phased out in the real life and thinking about your whole life as you grow, you know? You meditate and you meds the whole thing where are going in the world. So you just measure and say, yo, you can't live yourself loose. You can't have yourself loose out in the street, and at the same time, yeah, do the great things as Valiant as say him do great things, and people better crown him as him say. People better give him flowers as him do it, cause remember Valiant jump out real bad the other day, you know, bro. I just what the Valiant busting up and then take off like a kite, bro. Shit. Yeah. From a small man dreams did be. Monday I tell me all me give my son them all the feel. Yeah. Call them not the game world tour now me sing. Millions I make it feel good for me and we. Yeah. Winner. No, so we live a different lifestyle. Stick another coop and I see they be my rights. Yo, that bad that. Yo. Let me say, bro, you see the fusion of dancehall now in this era, it is going to grow. Remember, I tell you that it is going to grow. All you see who are beat the youth them bad and I say, yo, the authenticness of dancehall not there no more. But you see the fusion in modern dancehall, bro, it is giving, bro. It is giving what it's supposed to be giving. And I like that. I like that. Hey, carry for me gun son a boy can't style me. But and then say you know say me grimy. But yo, I sang about that. Valiant, you go on. The first song for the new year, it's a kickstart. I like it. And we see all artists them a push out, you know. Every artist a push out them brand new song for the new year. So everybody a create them own momentum. So I like that. And this song by Valiant, Grimey, make sure you listen it, bro. And meds it. Don't just listen it because you know me say for listening. But listen it for what the message, listen it what he must say. Because this is something different from him and I like it. I like it. Not just like the others that he's been singing before, but a kickstart for the new year, something different, positive, old mellow vibe. I like that. You know what, go already, man. A vibes and insight with Nando. I represent the bad reaction, you so. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the content, you know, so it can grow. I'm out. Peace.